Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover operator. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator available are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. In the next program, I am going to cover alphanumeric operators. We can use two vertical bar to concatenate alphanumeric string. In the next program, I am going to cover comparison operators. Comparison operators available are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. In the next program, I am going to cover between and an operator. We can filter records based on range of values using between operator. Filter records based on list of values using an operator. In the next program, I am going to cover logical operators. Operators available are an operator, or operator, not operator. In the next program, I am going to cover like operator. We can search for pattern in string using like operator. We can use percentage to refer to 0, 1 or more arbitrary character. Use underscore to refer to exactly one arbitrary character. Also, we can use not operator with like operator. An escape option to suppress special meaning of second percent sign. In the next program, I am going to cover null operator. We can check whether value is null using is null operator, and check whether value is not null using is not null operator. We can insert null value by explicitly specifying value as null, or implicitly by omitting column from list. In the next program, I am going to cover set operators. We can use union operator to combine data from two tables removing duplicates, and union all operator to combine data from two tables without removing duplicates. We can use minus operator to get records in first table which are not in second table. Intersect operator to get common records between two tables. In the next program, I am going to cover define and undefined variables. We can define variables using define variable name equal to value, and access variable using ampersand variable name. We can undefine variable using undefined variable name query. If variable is not defined, we will be prompted to enter value. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.